Are you returning to work after a career break? Perhaps because of maternity leave, an illness, freelancing, or something else? In this video, I share 6 practical tips to make your return to work as smooth as possible. My name is Jan-Hendrik and I'm a career coach with nearly 2 decades of experience. I've supported hundreds of people return to the workforce. This video is for those of you who don't have a career coach but need a hand getting back into the swing of things. Stick around to the end because I've got a fantastic gift that will help open doors for you. Alright, let's dive in. Tip number 1 is maybe the most obvious. Refresh your skills. No matter how knowledgeable you are in your area of expertise, you've been away for a while. Some of your skills might be a bit rusty. But don't worry, whether it's brushing up on industry trends, new technologies, or specific tools, now's the perfect time to refresh them. Being up to date not only boosts your confidence, but also reassures employers that you're ready to hit the ground running. Maybe it's a particular software or skill or certification. Consider taking an online course or webinar. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera are great places to start. Tip number 2. It's time to reconnect with your professional network. During your break, I'm guessing some of those connections faded into the background. That's totally okay. But now that you're heading back out there, your network can provide support, advice, and even job opportunities you might not have found on your own. Reconnect by reaching out on LinkedIn or attending industry events. You can even drop a casual message to former colleagues just to say hi and catch up. You never know if a simple coffee chat could open doors. I'm sure they'll be glad to hear that you're alive and well. Thirdly, set realistic expectations for yourself. I get that you want to dive right back in there at full speed, but adjusting to a new routine takes time. Setting realistic expectations for yourself helps prevent burnout and ensures a smoother transition. Give yourself permission to ease into your new role. Communicate with your manager about any concerns and set small, achievable goals for your first few weeks. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. 4. Your personal brand might need a little sprucing up. Your personal brand is the image you project of yourself and includes everything from your LinkedIn profile and resume to your elevator pitch and even the way you present yourself in interviews. It matters because employers will be looking at your most recent professional presence. You want it to reflect the characteristics, personality, and expertise you'd like to be known for. So, be sure to update your LinkedIn with a catchy and relevant headline. Add your latest skills and remove outdated ones in your resume and LinkedIn. Include any relevant activities you did during your break, like studying or picking up new skills. Prepare a clear, compelling career journey narrative for your resume summary and LinkedIn About section. Update your LinkedIn profile pic. Consider a new background photo that reflects your current personal brand. Check out my YouTube channel. You'll find videos that walk you through elevator pitches and interview preparation. You'll also find lots of resources for these at jobleads.com. Number 5. Let's talk about flexible working. Depending on why you took your career break, jumping straight into a full-time role might feel overwhelming. Flexibility allows you to transition back at a pace that suits your personal and professional needs. Seek jobs with options like part-time work, remote work, or flexible hours. If you're heading back to the same employer, then check with them about possible options. Actually, many companies are more open to these arrangements than ever before. It could be the key to balancing your new job with other responsibilities. Finally, don't forget to take care of yourself. Transitioning back to work can be really tough. It'll feel weird for a while, so it's easy to forget about self-care. But remember that saying about how you can pour water from an empty cup. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being ensures you're at your best, both at work and at home. Set boundaries for your work hours. Make time for activities that help you chill out, like exercise, reading, or spending time with your family. If you implement these 6 tips, your return to work should be a lot smoother. Now, about that gift I told you about. If it's been a while since you last looked for work, I bet your resume needs an overhaul, right? If you'd like some feedback, click on the link in the description to claim your free resume review. Our team of career coaches will give you tips on how to improve and update your resume so you can apply for jobs with confidence. Remember, it's all about taking it one step at a time and being kind to yourself during this process. You've got this!